Regent Huerta,
Yes.
Regent Naval,
Yes.
Regent Reed,
Yes.
Regent Wertheim.
Yes.
The newly appointed Western New Mexico University Board of Regents voting to revoke former President Joseph Shepard's $1.9 million severance payouts at Thursday's board meeting.
The action taken on December 20th, 2024 by this Board of Regents with regard to the purported Western New Mexico University separation and faculty appointment agreement involving a former New Mexico president was invalid for failure to comply.
Failure to comply to the New Mexico Open Meetings Act.
The state's Open Meetings Act means that basically relates to public meetings about public business, and it gives very specific guidelines about what decisions can be made and what type of meeting and how much notice the public has to have.
This after questions raised of wasteful spending and financial oversight failures.
The money has already been handed off. It's apparently in his bank account. Can they claw back that money by retroactively canceling the deal? That's going to be a question for the courts. It certainly will be an uphill battle.
Former regents supporting the guaranteed one-time payment, a full-time teaching position, and an 8-month sabbatical for Shepard's resignation as president at the university.
We've called on them to do right by the public and the institution. They did not. I had lost all faith in any of the regents to be able to, as a collective, do right by New Mexicans at that university.
The governor and New Mexico Attorney General Raul Torres denouncing Shepard's alleged actions earlier this year.
We reached out to his attorney and asked him to voluntarily submit that payment to the court, to place it in the court treasury until the resolution of this case. He refused to do that.
Thursday, Shepard sending us this statement shortly after the announcement. In it, he calls the move an orchestrated political smear campaign. Today's vote to rescind my legitimate separation and faculty agreements with the university is the continuation of the highly orchestrated political smear campaign to damage and destroy my reputation, career, and livelihood. After serving 14 years of advancing the university, it is troubling that this new governor-appointed board has chosen this path.